Hamilton Beach, 49,979, single-serve coffee maker, compatible with pod packs and ground coffee, FlexBrew with adjustable brew strength, black. Brew with or without pod packs. Brew up to 10 Oz with a pod pack, or up to a 14 Oz travel mug with grounds pack holder and grounds basket are included. Just lower lid and brew. Whether it's a pod pack or your own fresh grounds, just place them in the holder, lower the lid and press brew. Brew strength options. Get your preferred brew flavor from bold or regular. Fits a variety of mugs. Use the adjustable cup rest to not only fit your favorite mug in just right, but to also hold pod packs or the brew basket. Easy to clean. The pack piercing tool removes for easy cleaning to prevent clogging that can sometimes occur with frequent use. Brew time, in about 3 minutes. FlexBrew. Make a strong, great tasting cup of coffee and you save energy because rather than heating water continuously, FlexBrew only heats the water when you're ready to brew. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.